Hi guys, on the trail at Floyd Road Trailhead, heading towards the Silver Comet Trailhead Connector. There goes that guy. Here we go, guys. I'm a little late on this one for the day. It's about 4 o'clock. I wanted to get here earlier, but I got delayed. Don't think I'm on my wide angle. There we go. That's wide angle. I'm shooting in ProRes log. Second time on this trail I've done this. First time, it didn't come out right. It's too dark. Settings were wrong. It's weird because I'm not used to ProRes. The screen I'm looking at right now is kind of gray. That's normal. You won't see that. And this is kind of cool. Little kind of shed. So this goes to the beginning of the Silver Comet Trail. There will be mile marker 0.0 when I get there. And then there is an extension that goes further from that point down into near Cumberland Mall, I believe it is. I've done a little research on it. Trailhead begins at Mayville Road for the Silver Comet Trail. And I'm probably gonna park down there next time and walk on the little extension piece. see where it goes, because I'm not familiar with it. It does run closer to main streets. And I think there may be a point where it actually goes on the main streets, but I'm not sure. The road beside us on the left, down there. Top. You can see now. There are a few people on the trail today, considering it is a Saturday. I'm just getting over a cold. So hopefully this trail walk won't affect me today. I'm still suffering a little bit from it. So electric bikes. It's interesting. I think this is about a 4-mile walk. I don't remember. A lot of people use it, this part of the trail. I love children. Age of innocence.
I don't eat before then.
I was debating today if I was going to do this walk. Like I said, I'm still getting over my cold, so I'm a little bit weak. But the walk will do me good. I may labor a bit on the way back, but it's okay. I won't be recording that because I already recorded the way back before. Not published yet, not edited. As you see, the leaves are coming off the tree. Fall is here. Nights are getting colder in Georgia. There's been a point where we've already dropped to 30 Fahrenheit. Yes, I know other parts of the country are colder, but this is the South. So, one state from Florida. I know you guys hear me breathing while I do these recordings, but it is what it is. I have to breathe. So, yeah, I just passed the mile marker 3.8 and it's going down on mileage. So it is about 4.1 miles one way. Floyd's more responsive. I'm not talking as much on this one, guys, because like I said, I'm low on energy. So I'm just conserving my energy.
Chickens that were not far off of this path up here across.
I didn't see them, but
my dog alerted me to them.
yeah,
I thought she was going after a squirrel. I looked up and there was a black one and a white one.
they're back around springtime when I was further down towards Hiram. There were about 6 or 7 of them. They all approached me looking for food, and then I realized there were like 2 roosters with them. And I'm like,
Don't want to mess with
they weren't confrontational, but I wasn't taking chances.
Right.
That was nice. Now, he obviously didn't mind being on camera. I know some people mind, and I'm respectful of that. I love how his German Shepherd was looking at me, cocking his head left and right. It's a nice day, guys. It's about 71 here, if I didn't say that already. That was a big old tree that fell. Wow, what a break. That thing had to have made noise hitting. I used to skate like that, guys. Old school skates, though. Not the rollerblades. I had a pair of dancing skates. And I used to go 3 times a week to a roller rink. Fall in the leaves, how they're changing color. Look at that. That is cool. Old telegraph pole right there. Let's see if I can focus in on it. Right there. See it? I am learning how to use this phone. This phone's brand new to me. I've never had an Apple phone before. Hello. There's another one. Right there. I missed these last time. I think that'll probably be the last of them. Down by Old Lost Mountain Road, off the trailhead there. It's not really a trailhead, but there is an entrance there. There's a whole bunch of them. About 6 or 7 of them or so. No, look at that. All that, eh? This was all green before. That's There's a part last time on the other app I was using, which was Blackmagic app, that the camera had problems adjusting to this. It all came out much too dark, but I probably had the settings on it wrong. I don't want to take the chance this time though using that app. I'm going to learn it and test it. Make sure it works right. Because I'm running out of walk time for the year. Because it's going to start getting colder here. So there will be a time where I won't be able to walk the trail. Because the trail gets cold and icy. So. Hello. It's nice though. It's a different look. Different colors. Green is going away. Red and browns are replacing it. This is cool. Right there. Pretty wild. Give you a back view. Where I've come from. And this is where I'm going. That's wild. Hope this is doing it justice. Oh, there's a squirrel up there. Alright, there's music coming my way. I'm going to talk over it because I do not want YouTube to strike me on that music. As you know, I'm very careful about what I put on my videos because I don't want copyright claims. I've found composers that allow me to use their music from SoundCloud and audio library. As long as I give them full credit for their music, I'm good. So I've learned a lot doing these videos. Last night I spent about 3 hours organizing all my music that I've downloaded off SoundCloud and YouTube. Put them all in by musician and by site. Because I've got all the credit listings for each song. So if I use the songs again, which I will on other videos, I have all that information right away. Because it takes me hours to find the music I like. So, but I enjoy doing it. It keeps me going. In other words, I don't get bored. So, I don't know what road this is we're going under. And here we are. Little tunnel. This little tunnel on the other video was pitch black when I walked through. Not good. I'm liking this video much better. Look at that. That is cool. This English ivy is rampant here. It takes a lot for them to go brown. They pretty much stay green throughout the whole winter. I love how all of this looks. Beautiful. I am so happy I got this one. Want to step in that. That's all mud. Oh, there's another telegraph right up there. That's cool. With all the green leaves going away and all that, you're gonna see things on the trail that you haven't seen before because they're hidden by the nature. There's a subdivision over there. A ravine over there. To the musicians that are making it possible for creators like me to have music in the background of our videos, thank you. I don't know if you'll ever see these videos, but I appreciate everything you do. I really do. Keep up the work, guys. You have a lot of talent, guys and girls. I was gonna go and get a paid subscription for my music, but I'm learning where to find the music on SoundCloud, and so I'm gonna stay with SoundCloud and find my music there. Now I understand how everything works.